If you take a look at a typical landing page, you'll notice that there are some common components. These are things like a hero banner or a client section. Today, I'll be showing you an easy way to add these components to your page on Typedream using section templates. To use section templates, all you need to do is type /section on an empty line and you'll see a menu categorized by function. For example, if you wanted to add a footer, you would simply go to the Footer tab and hover over these different footers to see a preview. Once you find a section template that you like, click on it and it'll be added to the page. You can move section templates around by dragging and dropping, as well as customize them to your needs. You're all set. See you in the next tutorial.